Chukaria. It's a dish from the district of Bhind. The area is known as Ater. It belongs to Chambal region. We will see how Murg Chukaria is made. So let us have a look at the list of the ingredients. We have got main ingredient is chicken pieces which have been washed and kept here. Then we have got chopped onion, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped tomato, chopped green chili, chopped coriander leaves. The coriander leaves will be used at the end for the final garnish. Then as far as the other ingredients are concerned, we have got poppy seed paste. The cooking agent we have got mustard oil. The reason why mustard oil is being used is that mustard is the product which is used in that area in the maximum possible extent. Then we have got the other spices, that is red chili powder, garam masala powder, dhania powder. Then whole spices we have got dalchini, black cardamom, bay leaves, cumin seeds whole. Apart from that, we have got coriander powder and the mace powder. Now, the specialty of this dish is, just have a look at this container. This is an earthenware container which is giving a very good look from the village area. And within this container, we will cook the entire dish by covering from the top on a flame. Just have a look from all the round. Earthenware container has got another specific characteristic. Just have a look at the inside area. It's a plain thing and does not have any other engravings or any other design inside it. Now, the characteristic feature of this earthenware pot is it will again give an earthy flavor which is very much liked by the eater of this dish. So we will in short discuss how this is made. We will heat the oil inside this earthenware container. When the oil will be heated up, inside that we will transfer turn by turn onion, ginger, garlic chop. We will saute till the raw flavor goes off. After that, we will transfer the Indian spices which are available out here. We will saute little bit. Along with that, we will also transfer the whole spices. Again, we will saute. When the flavor will come out, we will transfer the chopped tomato inside it. We will continue the saute. And finally, we will add the paste of the poppy seed and the chicken inside it. After that, we will cook by covering from the top, and by slow cooking process, the entire thing will be cooked inside and there can be a little bit gravy allowed inside it. The flavor of the earthenware container. So now we will allow the thing to cook in a proper manner, and after the cooking is done, we will show you the next courses of action. Yes, one more thing, we will transfer the masala inside the gravy just before giving the final touch. It is going inside the garam masala powder and the coriander leaves chop which has been added right now for the purpose of flavor. We will just have a stir inside it. That has been given properly. It has been mixed in a proper manner. We will just close it from the top and allow it to simmer for some time. You can see the piece of the chicken leg which is almost done. It will look like this.